clamp test starting at 40 hertz. $39 hertz. $38 hertz. $37 hertz. $36 hertz. $35 hertz. $34 hertz. $33 hertz. $32 hertz. $31 hertz. $30 hertz. Ooh, that draws some power. $29 hertz. Ooh, bit of distortion there. Go 28. $27. $26. And 25. Alright, we'll go back up to 40 hertz for the SMD distortion detection. Looks good. I'll show you a bit about how I have this hooked up. So the two amps are strapped. So the positive amp is the top one and the bottom amp is negative. So I've got my multimeter connected to the speaker positive wire, and the negative wire of the multimeter is going to the negative battery posts. So one of those is for the multimeter and the other negative wire is for the SMD DD1. And the clamp is around both positive voice coil wires, which of course it's a mono amp. So those are basically just like they're joined together. And then my super spiffy little voltmeter there is connected directly to one of the amp's positive and negative terminals. That concludes Jamie's clamp test